Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning about sequences, right? Sequences in algebra is nothing but a pattern of a number, right? Like simple, your counting is also a sequence where you keep on adding one, right, to every number and you get another term, right? So this is what sequences. So you will be having a sequences of shapes or you will be having sequences of number. Right. Now, suppose if I take say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is also a sequence where 2 is added to each term, right, to get the next term. So whenever you have addition or subtraction going on, we call it as arithmetic sequence, right? We call it as arithmetic sequence. And whenever something is multiplied, like I have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here you can see I am multiplying every number to get another term. This we call it as geometric sequence, right? This geometric sequence is beyond your scope of studying. We'll be only understanding arithmetic sequence and sequences of shape. So shape is nothing. They will arrange some shape instead of number and you have to see what pattern that shape is following, right? So there are two main kinds of sequences you may come across. First one is number sequences and second one is shape sequences. Okay. So understanding the rule. So a sequence is an ordered pattern of number or shape that follows a specific rule. Okay. Each number or shape in a sequence is called a term, right? So sequence is an ordered pattern of number or shape that follows a specific rule. Each number or shape is called a term, right? So to find the term to term rule, you need to figure out what operation changes from one term into the next, right? So there are two main types of rules to look for. Okay. So what you have to two main types that only I'm saying, either the number will be adding or either the number will be subtracting. Okay, so each number here we call it as term, right? And to reach from one term to next term, either you have to add a number or you have to subtract a number or it will follow some rule, right? So like here you can see 2, 7, 12, 17. Each time I am adding 5 to get another number, right? So this is what a sequence is, right? You are adding 5 each time to get a number, right? Now you have subtracting 6. So either you can subtract also. For you guys, you will be having either addition or subtraction, not multiplication, right? Now multiply or divide by the same number each time. So this also I have explained 1, 4, 16. So as you can see here, 4 is getting multiplied by each number, right? And divide by 10 each time. So you can see here we are dividing by 10 each time. So 100 became 10, 10 divided by 10, it became 1, and then it became 0.1. So this is what we call it as geometric sequences. So this is it. In arithmetic sequences, you have to add or subtract a number, right? And in geometric sequence, you multiply or divide by the same number. That's it. So I have explained you the sequences here. We'll be finding the nth term and calculating the term of the sequences in the next lecture.